Presented in 2012 to the audience, the Shahid 129 model has evolved into a newer improved Gaza model, with an index of 149. It was named after the territory occupied by the Palestinian Authority, the Gaza Strip. Outwardly, this drone strongly resembles a UAV of a similar class from the United States, MQ-9 Reaper and MQ. Compared to the previous version of the 129 type, the new drone has larger dimensions and improved basic functional characteristics. Takeoff weight, 3.1 tons. Wingspan, 21 meters. The maximum flight ceiling is 10.7 kilometers, 35,000 feet. On board, this model carries up to 13 guided munitions, which can also be used against moving objects. The flight range is up to 2,000 kilometers, and the maximum flight duration from the moment of launch is up to 35 hours. The flight speed, increased due to the use of more modern and powerful turboprop engines, is up to 350 kilometers per hour. In addition to missile and bomb weapons, a fully loaded drone carries up to 500 kilograms of equipment intended for reconnaissance purposes and monitoring the enemy. They subscribe to the channel. And you? A few years ago, it became known about the existence of a new system of this class, created by specialists from the Iranian defense industry. According to some sources, by now Iran has not only completed the design work, but also adopted a new ballistic anti-ship missile, called Khalij Fars, Persian Gulf. As far as is known, the operation of the Fateh 110 rocket continues to this day. This weapon is in service with Iran, North Korea, and Syria. The task of such systems, made on mobile chassis, is to strike at enemy targets with coordinates known in advance. The total length of the anti-ship missile is 8.86 m, the hull diameter is 0.6 m. The missile is built according to a single-stage scheme and cannot be divided into blocks, including dropping the warhead. To destroy the target, the Persian Gulf missile is equipped with a high-explosive warhead weighing 650 kilograms. When falling on a target at high speed, such a warhead can work as a penetrating one, exploding after breaking through the deck or other elements of the ship. When undermined inside the target ship, various systems are guaranteed to be disabled or flooded, depending on various factors. Ships of relatively small displacement are guaranteed to be destroyed when hit by a 650 kilograms warhead. Larger targets must receive serious damage, making it impossible to fully continue combat work. The Sajal family of missiles appeared after being developed in 2008 to 2009. Sajal 2 is a two-stage solid propellant ballistic missile that first launched in late spring 2009. Advertisement. The maximum flight range is up to 2,500 kilometers. Rocket tests have already been carried out many times, including direct launches at sites in the Indian Ocean at a considerable distance from the launch point. Compared to the previous version, the accuracy has been significantly improved and the probable circular deviation has been reduced. The payload of the warhead is 1 ton. Experts point out that with a decrease in the load of the warhead, the flight range can also be further increased. The warhead type is a monoblock with a single warhead. The missiles of this series indicate a significant step forward by Iran in the development of technologies for the production of ballistic missile weapons. It was Sajal that became the first solid propellant rockets. Experts from the United States believe that the development was not without the participation of technologies from China or the Russian Federation.